Once I've added an agent, I can set up a routing schedule for that agent. Simply tap or click on the agent, scroll down to the working hours section, then select the day or days you wish this agent to be on call for chat. In this case, I would like Michael to be on call on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And it's automatically set for me because as those are the default times. However, on Wednesday, I would like Michael to cover the night shift. So I will also select night shift, and it defaults to 5 p.m. to 9 a.m. However, I don't want Michael to work that long, so I wish Michael to work until 1 a.m. So his schedule is now 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. on Wednesdays. Once you have set up the routing for that agent, you click or tap Save. To revisit and check on the schedule, you simply click on that agent again, scroll down to working hours, and you can view or change the schedule at any time. Remember to click on Save when you're finished. In addition to live agents, chatbots can also be scheduled. In this way, when a live agent is not available, for example, a chatbot can be scheduled. In this case, by not selecting any working hours, this chatbot will be available all the time. And that's important to note. By not selecting specific schedules, your chatbots or live agents will be on call and working all the time. And that's it.